Today we're going to try to answer another question we get from time to time here at Aqua. Let's say you've bought a lot or a piece of land. It's got a pretty little tree on it. It's got a sewer line running nearby that the local municipality or utility is going to force you to hook up to. You build yourself a nice little house. Here's the problem though. The house is downhill from the sewer line. So what's the best way to pump uphill to the sewer, step or grinder? Well, first we need to know what those things are. So what's a step tank? It's actually an acronym for Septic Tank Effluent Pump, also known as an effluent sewer or a liquid-only sewer. We start with a conventional septic tank. It's got 3 layers in it: a scum layer, a clear zone, and a sludge layer. We gravity in from the house and gravity away from the house. But for a step tank, we're not going to gravity away from the house, right? So we've got to pump up, so we install a filtered pump vault in the back half of what is essentially a conventional septic tank. And we filter effluent through that clear zone into a turbine pump, like a well pump, and pump the liquids only to the sewer. So what's a grinder? Well, a grinder is a smaller tank. It's usually 3 feet diameter or so. You gravity in from the house just the same as you do with a step. But because it's smaller, you don't actually have the layers show up. So we use a bigger pump to grind and macerate that waste and shoot everything to the sewer. So now that we know a little bit about both technologies, we start to try to answer the question, well, what's best for you in your situation? So let's set up a little chart to help us make a decision. Upfront costs is going to be close, but it's going to go to the grinder in most situations. In commercial applications, maybe not, but for most residential applications, it'll be very close, but it'll go to the grinder. Cost to ownership will actually go closer to the step. The reason is the life cycle of the pump and reliability. For emergency storage, there's a no-brainer answer there. The step is a bigger tank. It's no question, big advantage for step. Footprint is going to lean towards grinder. It's 3 foot diameter versus a 10 by 5 space for a step tank. Reliability, on the other hand, again, is a home run for step. The pumps last longer, they clog less. Big advantage to step. Reduced cost of ownership and increased reliabilities are 2 huge factors for municipalities and utilities. Another is the solids that grinders send to their sewer lines, increasing the chance of sewer overflows and blockages. So I hope you learned something today. If there's something we can help with, be sure to check out our website or give us a call anytime. Thanks for watching.